Hello everyone, it's Jean from Inky Studio, and I'm here with a finished journal for a journal share. And this is a bird theme, obviously. The cover is made out of cloth over cardstock and stitched around. Love this cloth. So pretty with all these birds on here. And it has a little tag tucked here behind the cover. And sweet songbird. So we're just going to open it up, and it's got a satin ribbon closure. And inside is a Tim Holtz pocket, slatted pocket with little bitties, bits of journaling opportunities. We have a definition of birdwatcher down there. And this is some cotton stationery paper. It has a nice different texture to it. Love this. This is from a Graphics Fairy premium site there. And a little journaling card in the back with a label you can fill out. Some tea stain paper. An altered tag. And this is beeswax. I've been experimenting with that and just loving that. Very nice. Has a vellum-like look and texture to it. Most of these digitals are from Victoria Designs. Here's some vintage music paper. Here's a beeswax flip up where you can write, and then you can just barely make out your writing underneath. So pretty. Here is some tracing paper. You can write with a pencil. A glassine bag with a little card in there. An envelope. This is an Artie Mae's freebie, actually. And that little envelope there. And I've sewn around these pockets, so they should stay in there quite nicely. Here's another altered tag. A bit of lace up there. Paper doily. Here is a beeswax envelope. A little bit of card inside. This is, I think this digital is from Ephemera's Garden. Pretty sure. And here we get a little robin down there. Love the center. Very pretty. I have a little owl charm and put a copper one in there. I thought it just went so nicely. And here is a bookmark. And the bookmark's an altered paper clip, so there's it's pretty on both sides. And just put it on your paper and mark your spot. Here is that doily. Lots of writing room in this journal. Lots of places to make it your own, decorate it. Here's a Vintage Birds label. The other glassine bag. Another envelope, and this one I did not glue down so that you could write on the inside if you would like. And there is a journaling card as well. Here is another altered card. Another beeswax flip up. Paper bag. And altar card here with a pocket. Love these eggs. And some of these digitals are from Graphics Fairy Premium site. And here we come to the back, and there's a pocket here to put your own memorabilia in. And that is the journal. Now I'm including with this journal a little box that I've made here, a little tiny box. And inside here, all kinds of fussy cuts for you to play with. I have labels, I have words, I have tickets. There's phrases from poems and literature about birds in here. Just, just a whole bunch of little stuff that you can use to decorate your journal with. So I hope you enjoyed that, and this is going to be available in my Etsy shop. And thank you so much for viewing. We'll talk to you later. Bye.